Wapuonjre Dholuo.
Wapuonjre Dholuo.
Wachuru Dholuo. Habla tu idioma.
Dholuo ber.
Dholuo met.
To ask what is this in Dholuo, we say ma'ango.
Ma'ango.
And to respond to that, we say this is a toothbrush. We say mamswak.
Mamswak.
Ma'ango.
Ma'ango.
Mamswak.
Mamswak. Ma'ango. Mamswak. Amado chai.
Amado chai.
Amado chai.
It means I am taking tea. Amado chai.
Amado chai.
To say I am taking tea, we say amado chai.
Amado chai.
Amado chai.
Amado chai. Wamado chai.
To say we are taking tea in Dholuo, we say wamado chai.
Wamado chai.
Wamado chai.
Wamado chai.
Wamado chai.
Wamado chai. Wamado chai.
To say this is bread in Dholuo, we say mama kati.
Mama kati.
Mama kati.
Mama kati.
And to say this is tea, we say machai.
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 To say this is a cup in Dholuo, we say ma okombe.
Ma okombe.
Ma okombe.
Ma okombe.
Ma okombe.
Ma okombe.
And to say this is a plate in Dholuo, we say masan.
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 To say I am going to school in Dholuo, we say wadhi sikul.
Adi sikul.
Wadhi sikul.
Adi sikul.
Wadhi sikul.
Adi sikul.
Wadhi sikul. Wadhi sikul. When going together, we say wadhi sikul. Wadhi sikul. Wadhi sikul.
Masikul. Masikundwa. Oriti.
Oriti.
Oriti.